TV. I'm Evi Aryati Arbay. I just held the photo exhibition in Japan with Merdi Sihombing. We collaboration about ethnophotography and fashions about the Dani Tribe in Papua, Indonesia. And beside the exhibition and fashion show, this can be a promotion for the Papua regions and very strategic for promotion of Papua itself.
Hi, Fashion TV. My name is Merdi Sihombing. I am the designer of the event. My collections took from the Noken. Noken is a multifunction bag from the Papua heritage of Papua cultures from the Dani Tribe. Usually, Noken is a multifunction bag the tribe of Dani use for the daily use, for their wood, carrying baby, vegetable, and the baby pig. Now, I bring Noken for the words, used for the lifestyle in the cosmopolitan lifestyle.
Asean Japan Center in Tokyo, Japan. Today I saw some collections of Noken fashion and I'm very impressed because Noken used to be very traditional too, used in Papua region. And I saw the Noken used as sweaters and some kind of knits and very traditional yet very modern.
I love Indonesia, I love Papua, and I love Fashion TV.